Scientific spirituality, Vipassana theory, is faulty. Goenka says there is one-way connection between mind and body. Mind always results in sensations. The truth is, it need not be a one-way relationship. Pain and fear, a sudden injury, purely physical, can trigger fear and anxiety in the mind. Conversely, intense fear can create physical symptoms like a racing heart or tightness in the chest. Happiness and relaxation. Experiencing deep relaxation can induce a peaceful state of mind, just as positive thoughts can lead to a relaxed body. Stress and stiffness. Chronic mental stress often can generate discomfort in the mind. Similarly, holding an awkward posture for too long leads to physical tension in the shoulders and neck. In short, it can be mind to body, body to mind, only mind no body, only body no mind. Like, subscribe our future releases.